At the start of their careers, Hrithik Roshan and Kareena Kapoor delivered several hits in Bollywood. Between 2000 and 2003, they worked together in many films and were loved by the audience. However, after 2003, they stopped acting in movies together. Even though fans still want to see them on screen, the two haven't worked together for over a decade. When Hrithik was asked about this, he avoided giving a clear answer. Well, the answer to this is that Kareena and Hrithik were in a relationship while he was still married to Suzanne Khan, and their families played a huge role in ending their on-screen pairing. Hrithik and Kareena knew each other even before starting their acting careers. Their bond reportedly grew stronger during the shooting of Yaadein in London. They were really into each other, and several eyewitnesses of them sharing a passionate kiss during their return flight made it into the news. Although Hrithik was married to his childhood love, Suzanne Khan, he was reportedly serious about Kareena. Some sources claim Kareena became pregnant with Hrithik's child but decided to have an abortion. When Suzanne found out about their relationship, it caused tension in both families. Suzanne's father, Sanjay Khan, who had a lot of influence with the underworld, was upset and stepped in to ensure that the Roshans arranged Hrithik's marriage to Suzanne in no time. Apparently, Hrithik did not want to marry Sasane and even told reporters that he is not yet done enjoying his bachelor life and newfound stardom. However, his family convinced him to tie the knots with Sasane and focus on his marriage. During the filming of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Hrithik kept his distance from Kareena, which reportedly upset her. She later remarked that she couldn't understand why men didn't stand up for the women they cared about. Even after Hrithik's marriage, the two worked together in Mujhse Dosti Karoge, where their rumored romance reignited. Hrithik was said to have gone out of his way to fulfill Kareena's requests, including replacing other actresses, like Amisha Patel and Bipasha Basu, with her for an international concert. Kareena confided in her friend Esha Deol about her feelings and Esha kept her updated about the inside details on Hrithik's married life with Sasane. While Hrithik celebrated his first wedding anniversary, Kareena reportedly broke down at the India Jones restaurant, unable to cope with the situation. During the filming of Main Prem Ki Deewani Hoon, they reportedly thought about getting married. However, when Hrithik considered leaving his wife, Sanjay Khan intervened again and threatened Rakesh Roshan. Due to Sanjay Khan's notorious and questionable connections, Rakesh Roshan had to make Hrithik choose his marriage and leave Kareena forever. In a 2004 interview, Kareena mentioned how hard it is to love someone and not be able to show it, which many believe referred to her relationship with Hrithik.